In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the line spacing in Microsoft Word. If you have been wanting to learn how to adjust the line spacing in Microsoft Word, ensure you watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now head over to your desktop background. This is our desktop background. Open your Microsoft Word application. I'll tap on this. It's currently loading. Give it a few seconds. It should open. Okay, it has opened. So what we need to do, you tap on this blank document, right? Exactly. So I'm gonna go in here and type how to edu provides educational guides and content on YouTube, right? So once I've done this, what I need to do, I need to I need to press the control on my desktop keyboard, right? And I would press the control A, hold the control button, then type A. So I've highlighted this text. Then I'm going to use my mouse. I'll use my mouse and head over to this. Okay, this is it. So hope you guys saw what I just did now. What you need to do first, once you have typed something here on your blank document display, you'd hold the control key on your desktop keyboard, right? Control A key. So once you have pressed that, you'd head over to this icon. This is it. I would click on this. Then from this place, you can pick any line spacing you want. If I pick 1.5, this is it. I can pick 2. I can pick 2.5. I can pick 3. So this is how you can adjust your line spacing in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.